Hello everyone, this is Justify Speaks and today we're trying takoyaki from Takoyaki Senpai. So right now I have two flavors of takoyaki. The first one is the Kraken Octopus, which is right now 55 pesos, and another flavor is Kraken cheese Balm, which I think is a Kraken Octopus with the cheese on top, which is 70 pesos. So let's try them. So first is the Kraken Octopus. Sure, another flavor of this one. So for comparison, I tried Samurai, which is also the same price, around 55 pesos per 4 pieces, but this is 5 pieces. So this is the Kraken Octopus. Okay. So the batter is firm, and then I could taste something. I think it's an octopus or a squid. I'm not really sure. Let's find out. So I'll get another one. So looks like it's an octopus. So maybe Kraken Octopus has an octopus in it. It's good. And the sauce is spicy. A little bit spicy, but I think the sauce bring this food a really good taste. So there's a little bit of kick. I think there's some mayo in it also. So now let's try the Kraken cheese Balm. This is the same takoyaki, yeah, same sauce, but it has some cheese on top. I'm not sure what type of cheese, but as you can see, it's yellowish. It's kind of milky. So let's try the cheese Balm. So it's cheesy. The spicy sauce is not that, it's not there anymore because of the cheese. But it's almost the same. If you like the cheesy version of the takoyaki, maybe you could just order this one. But for me, I like the regular one better. This one. So if you want to order this, I'll put the Facebook page or Facebook account of the owner. So again, they deliver here in Binawanan. And if you are craving for takoyaki, be sure to contact them. And takoyaki is really good. So that's all for now. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe and push the notification bell so that you will be notified for my upcoming videos. If you have other food delivery here in Binangonan that you want me to try, be sure to comment that on the comment box below, or if you have other comments, be sure to put that on the comment box. And if you like the video, please press the thumbs up button and share. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.